Have you ever wondered why platinum, this shiny, silvery white metal, holds such a strong sway in the stock market? Well, it's all about rarity and value. Platinum, one of the rarest elements in the Earth's crust, is 20 times less abundant than gold. This scarcity, coupled with its exceptional resistance to corrosion, makes it a highly sought-after commodity. Consider this. Platinum's utility extends far beyond just jewelry. It's a key player in several industries, from automotive to electronics, and even medicine. In cars, it's used in catalytic converters to reduce harmful emissions. In electronics, it's employed in hard disks and LCD screens. And in medicine, it's a vital component in pacemakers and chemotherapy drugs. This wide-ranging applicability combined with its scarcity is what fuels its high market value. Platinum isn't just a metal, it's a linchpin in our modern world. Now that we understand the significance of platinum, let's delve into the process of how this precious metal is unearthed. Mining platinum is no simple task. It requires sophisticated techniques and a significant amount of resources. The process begins with locating deposits, which are usually buried deep beneath the Earth's crust. This involves a series of exploratory drilling and geophysical surveys. Once a deposit is found, the extraction process begins. The ore is first blasted to break it apart, then removed from the ground using heavy machinery. The ore, a mixture of various minerals, is then transported to a processing plant. Here, through a series of crushing, grinding, and flotation processes, the platinum-bearing minerals are separated from the rest. But this process is not without its challenges. Mining platinum is labor-intensive, demanding a large workforce. Moreover, it has significant environmental impacts, including soil erosion, deforestation, and water pollution. These factors make platinum mining a complex, costly endeavor. With such a complex process, one might wonder who tops the chart when it comes to mining this precious metal. The world's largest platinum mines aren't scattered randomly across the globe, they're concentrated in a few specific regions. Now let's spotlight the platinum powerhouses. South Africa, Russia, and Zimbabwe are the leading contenders in this shiny show. South Africa takes the crown, producing more than 70% of the world's platinum. With its vast resources, it's no surprise that it's the undisputed heavyweight champion in this arena. Not too far behind, Russia also plays a significant role, contributing a substantial portion to the global platinum supply. Despite its colder climate, the country's rich deposits keep it as a formidable competitor. Zimbabwe, though smaller in comparison, still packs a punch. Its platinum mining sector is growing, steadily increasing its share in the global market. These countries, each with their unique strengths, mine impressive volumes of platinum, shaping the landscape of the platinum market. Now that we know who the major players are, let's explore platinum's role in the stock market. Platinum isn't just a shiny metal used in jewelry and cars, it's also a significant player in the stock market. Just like any other commodity, the price of platinum is determined by a myriad of factors. The most immediate of these is supply and demand. If there's a disruption in mining operations or an increase in demand from industries, you'll likely see a spike in prices. But there's more to it than that. Geopolitical events can also influence the price. When political stability is threatened in regions where platinum is mined, prices can fluctuate. Similarly, economic indicators such as inflation rates and currency values can affect the platinum market too. Now, how do you invest in platinum? Well, there are several ways. You can buy physical platinum, but storing it can be a challenge. An alternative is investing in platinum futures, which allow you to trade the commodity without physically owning it. And then there are platinum mining stocks, which offer exposure to the industry without the need for storage. With such a broad role in the stock market, platinum has seen its fair share of highs and lows. Like any other commodity, the price of platinum has experienced dramatic rises and falls over the years. The precious metal's value has danced to the rhythms of supply and demand, geopolitical events, and economic trends. One memorable peak was when platinum prices skyrocketed in the early 2000s, driven by a surge in global auto production and a wave of investment interest. On the flip side, the global recession of 2008 saw platinum prices plummet, reflecting the economic downturn's ripple effects on industries that heavily rely on this precious metal. Investors, of course, were not passive spectators. They reacted, strategized, and adjusted their portfolios, riding the waves of platinum's fluctuating fortunes. This is the beauty and challenge of investing in commodities like platinum, a dance with unpredictability that can be as rewarding as it is risky. So, The next time you see a piece of platinum jewelry or a car with a platinum catalytic converter, remember the complex journey this precious metal has taken from the mine to the market. And don't forget, if you found this enlightening, do subscribe to the Profit Speak channel and like this video. We'd love to hear from you, so share in the comments what other exchange instruments you'd like to know more about.